So y'all, it's yet another unboxing video. This is a Polygel starter kit from Double Dip by Bellavina Dallas. And this kit is called the Best Polygel Starter Kit, the Glam Limited Edition. And we're gonna do an unboxing with this, and we're gonna do an extra long polygel nail set using everything that's gonna be in this kit. So if you wanna see that, make sure you keep on watching. So this kit is $59, $59.79 to be exact. But if you use my code on their side, you'll be able to get some money off for this kit. So I will leave all of that information in the description down below, and I'll probably put it up on the screen. But let's go ahead and open her up and see what's in the kit. All right, so here's the front of the box, and when you open it up, booyah, it's time to nail it. And here's all the polygels that comes with the kit. So the name of the kit is Glam Limited Edition. That's why you see all of these glitter polygels. So within the kit, we have a red glitter polygel. We have a royal blue, it looks like. We have silver glitter, a gold glitter, a green glitter, and lastly, we have a blue glitter here. And then when we remove this top piece right here up underneath, we got some more stuff. So this basically tells you how to apply the polygel correctly. And then in here we have the materials that we need to complete our polygel set. Okay, so in the little box is this UV nail lamp, a little mini UV nail lamp. You can stand it up just like that, and it comes with a cord. We have some rhinestones, and it looks like we have blue, pink, black, and silver rhinestones. And I'm thinking I'm gonna use these on the set. We'll see about that. And then we have the polygel nail forms, and they give you the little clips to hold the polygel nail forms in place on your finger, just in case if you need it. You get a base and top coat, builder gel liquid, a nail file, some tweezers, and then lastly, we have our brush, which we'll use to apply the polygel. So to prep for this polygel set, I'm just gonna take well, first, let's go ahead and push back these cuticles. So I'm just gonna take a cuticle pusher and start by pushing back my cuticles. And then I'm gonna take a buffer and remove the shine from my natural nails. And this kit does not come with a buffer. It just comes with a nail file. So I would just lightly take this nail file and use it to remove the shine. And that works. So now I'm just gonna take the base coat first and apply the base coat to my nail. Now I did wipe it off with a alcohol wipe off camera before I did this to kind of get most of the dust off before I do this, but just do one coat of base coat and then we can cure that. So for this set, I'm going to use tips instead of the polygel nail forms here, just because I want to do an extra long nail set. So I got my tips on, and I'm just going to file down at the smile line right there on that tip. And I'm going to be using my portable nail drill that I got from Double Dip by Bellavina. And then I'm just going to stay on the nail tip and just file that down right there. And we're good to go. So now we can get down to business. We're gonna pour this builder gel liquid into a little dapping dish. And I'm just gonna kind of like poke a little holy hole, like right there. Oh, that was too big, but it's okay. We're just gonna squeeze it out. That way the liquid comes out in a controlled manner instead of spilling all over the place, because y'all know I'm famous for my spills. Okay, so I think for this nail design, I want to do a Frenchie, and y'all know I love my Frenchie. So if you're mad about it, oh well, I don't care. This is what we're gonna do. So this kit does not have a nude polygel color, but I have a nude by Bellavina Dallas from Double Dip, of course, but it was from a different kit. It was from an old kit that I got like last year from them. So we're gonna start with this nude. And then the French tip is going to be our glitter part from our kit that we have today. So I am, going to create a French smile line. Hopefully I have enough nude to do all of my fingers. I'm going to dip my brush in here, and we're just going to create a little smile line And really just patting the gel and getting it to do what I want it to do, and that's form a little smile line. And it's already kind of coming together just a little bit. And I kind of want it to dip a little lower, so we're going to try to go a little lower with this. That doesn't look bad. Make it straight before we cure it. Okay, and once you got it to like the perfect shape that you want it to be in, you can go ahead and cure it. And I think we did a pretty good job. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cure mine. All right, now that's all done. I'm kind of wishing I would have did them pink instead of like a nude, but you know what? It's already done, so let's move on. Just gonna take my file and we're just gonna shape it right on up, just as if it was acrylic, just so we can have a perfect smile line. I'm always forgetting to buff out the tip of the nail, but yeah, let's do it with the file. Just remove the shine from the tip by buffing it out, because if you don't, the polygel will come right off. It will peel off with no problem. Now we can move on. Okay, so I want to do a little outline around my French line here. So I don't know why I'm picking green, but green just really spoke to me a little bit. So we're just gonna put green. All right, and then we can cure that. All right, I think I want to take this blue and put it on the tip. I think it'll balance well with the green, but I'm a little scared because I don't know how this is going to turn out to look. Whoa, let me move this out the way. But we're just going to go for it. Hopefully this turns out good. Kind of only did that for a thumbnail. I'm not even going to lie. I just like to just put it right on there. And then really get up here by the French line. We can go ahead and flatten this part down here out. Gotta keep the shape. And then let's get some up here on the sides. I really hope this turns out the way I feel like it will in my head. And I'm gonna cure it just like that. The bottle looks so used and abused already. Look at that. And now we're gonna file this down so we can actually see the French up underneath all of that gunk. And with Polygel, I usually just use a more coarse sanding band. When I turn it to the side, you see it's like a hump right there, right where the smile line is. So I'm just gonna focus on that part. And look, we can already see like the smile line coming together. Like magic. Look at that. And look at that. It looks better than what I thought it was gonna look. It's a little denty like on both sides right here, but we're gonna fill that out with some clear polygel to cap it off. And just to be a little extra, I want to add a moon on the fringe, maybe on the 2 middle fingers, just because the blue reminds me of like the sky or something. I don't know. This did not come with the kit, but you can find it on Double Dip's website. These tweezers really came in handy. Got him right here. Put a dab of polish on the back of it, and then put it where you want to put it. I put just enough polish so it can cure. So now I'm gonna let that cure. Now, this kit did not have clear polygel, but I believe they have some on their site. But I'm gonna take this clear polygel just to really cap it off. And I have some, you know, dents in this nail, so this just fills it out. And there's always bubbles in this clear, so I just pat out the bubbles. We're gonna just work the rest all the way down and cover our moon. And I might need a little tad more, just a little bit, just to put down here at the tip. And it's already looking so good. Look how good that shape is, and I haven't even filed them yet. Ooh. The only thing about polygel is it's hard to get an apex, but we got a little something, but not too much, not too much. I'm gonna get some alcohol to kind of harden up the polygel so it's not gooey. And now we can file. Now I'm just gonna take this cuticle bit and snatch my cuticles in. So I lathered the nail in some cuticle oil just to see if this trick, this buffing trick, works with polygel just the same as it does with acrylic, and it does. It came out so smooth, which was a relief because polygel is extremely hard to get scratches out of for some reason. But in my opinion, the nail still looked a little incomplete, so I wanted to add some clouds so it can look like kind of like a cloudy night, I guess. I don't know. So I got my dotting tool and I just used just some regular white gel polish, and I'm really just making random little shapes, and then I'm going to come back with some acetone, and that really gives it the cloudy look. And then after I cured that, I just came back with some top coat that they provided in the kit, and we topped it off. And then yeah, this is the finished look. The sparkle in the blue polygel really makes it look like a starry night. It's super cute. I want to thank Double Dip for sponsoring this video and for giving me this polygel kit. I am in love with this set. I will leave the link for this polygel kit in the description down below so you can find it, and you can use my code for 20% off of your purchase. And if you use my code when you purchase this kit, Double Dip will include an extra surprise in your package. So make sure you use my code when buying this kit so you can get an extra surprise. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my very next video next week, which will be a continuation of my acrylic nail kit series. Bye guys.